Autumn is a second spring. Every leaf is a flower. Don't walk behind me. I may not lead. In the depth of winter, I finally learned that in me there lay an invincible summer. You will never be happy if you continue to search for what happiness consists of. Live to the point of tears. Man is the only creature who refuses to be what he is. Freedom is nothing but a chance to be better. Real generosity toward the future lies in giving all to the present. The only way to deal with an unfree world is to become so absolutely free that your very existence is an act of rebellion. Should I kill myself or have a cup of coffee? The purpose of a writer is to keep civilization from destroying itself. The need to be right, the sign of a vulgar mind. Charm is a way to get the answer yes, without asking a clear question. Virtue cannot separate itself from reality without becoming a principle of evil. Blessed are the hearts that can bend. They shall never be broken. The evil that is in the world almost always comes from ignorance. These are the times when a genius would wish to live. Without work, all life goes rotten. We continue to shape our personality all our life. Nothing is more despicable than respect based on fear.